Okay? Why are the overseas Filipino workers important? Kasi meron tayong more than 1 million voters all around the world coming from the overseas Filipino workers. Assume na 1 million voter. Ang difference mo between the president and the vice president, between two contending candidates, for example, might be less than 1 million, di ba? So, that would be a decisive factor, the votes of the OFWs. Right? Balik tayo. The mirror system, what is the difference between the old ECM or the vote counting machine as compared to the systems we provided by Miro? Yung Miro system is hybrid. Marami tayo narinig na hybrid, ano? Nagmula sa kotse yan, ano? You have a hybrid car. You have an electric motor and a gas motor. Gasoline combustion engine combined into one. Ito, pareho. It's either you would accept a paper-based ballot or you would use touch screen. Okay, it has a small touch screen, the size of a laptop, and you would select your candidate with the touch screen. Okay, so iba-iba yan. It's a mixture of those two. But of course, meron pa rin tayong mga paper ballot na you would also shape and then feed it into the machine. Okay? What's the future of AES? Okay? Future, number one, blockchain technology. The present system is not using blockchain technology. If we use blockchain technology, we are sure that there will be no fraud. There will be no tampering of the results. Why? Because in the blockchain technology, it uses, how would I put it in a layman term? Example, ledgers. Are you familiar with ledgers? Accounting ledgers? Yes. Accounting ledgers? Yes. Okay? You have an accounting ledger. May binago ka rito sa isang entry. Who would know na binago mo entry? Wala, ikaw lang, diba? Ikaw lang. Okay? Now, if there are 3 ledgers, and then binago mo yung isang entry dito, the other one would know na nabago mo yung entry, diba? So you have to change the entries in the other 2 ledgers. Correct?
Yes.
If you have 10 ledgers, and you want to make a fraudulent entry in 1 ledger, so you have to make 9 other fraudulent entries. Okay? Blockchain technology works that way. There is no one repository system for everything. So one balikan natin, hindi ko nabasa. Tapos eh. Okay, so in the blockchain technology, right? For example, right now we have 67 million voters. Okay? The data for those 67 million voters will not be stored in one place. So pwede stored tatlo, magkamukha, another 3, magkamukha, and so on. So that no one can control one data repository. But if you change something in one, you have to change everything.